a small town, two friends grew up side by side. Same school, same neighborhood, same starting point in life. But they saw the world through completely different eyes. And that one difference would change everything. Ali was the kind of guy who always believed something good was just around the corner. He'd say, "Why stress about money when the right moment comes? It comes. Life, like a lottery, to him, and he was sure his ticket would hit." Omar was different. He wasn't smarter or luckier. He was just curious. Every evening after work, he'd sit with a book, a notebook, and a cup of tea, trying to understand how money actually worked. Not because he had to, because he wanted to. Then one day, luck showed up, but it knocked on Ali's door first. He inherited a surprising amount of money from a distant relative, $50,000. Just like that, Ali couldn't believe it. His moment had finally arrived. Omar congratulated him warmly, then quietly, "What are you going to do with it?" Ali laughed and said, "Enjoy it, obviously." Omar nodded and said nothing more, but inside, he was a little worried. And enjoy it, Ali did. A new car, a trip abroad, expensive dinners with friends. It felt amazing. It felt like freedom. But freedom built on sand doesn't last very long. And Ali would soon find that out. 18 months later, the 50,000 was gone, not stolen, not lost, just been. Without a plan, without a purpose, Ali sat in the same chair he always had, but this time there was no smile, just silence. Meanwhile, Omar had been doing something most people overlook, learning. He studied compound interest, index funds, and the simple habit of paying himself first. No get-rich-quick schemes, just small, consistent, boring decision. Here is the truth that most people miss. Money doesn't grow because you got lucky. It grows because you understand two things: time and consistency. Even small amounts, invested early and left alone, can quietly become something extraordinary. A year passed. Ali, humbled by what happened, walked over to Omar's place one evening. He didn't come to complain. He came to ask the question he should have asked the very first day. "Where do I start?" Omar didn't lecture him. He just said, "Start with one habit. Save before you spend. Even $10 a week, then learn where to put it." Simple words. But for Ali, they landed differently now, because this time, he was ready to hear them. 5 years went by. Ali hadn't won the lottery. No inheritance arrived. But he had built something. Slowly, imperfectly, but real. A small emergency fund, a beginner investment account, and most importantly, a completely different mindset. Ali still remembered the day he had $50,000. He thought that was his breakthrough, but looking back, he realized the real breakthrough was much quieter. It was the evening he decided to understand money instead of just chasing it. Luck can give you a moment, but education gives you a lifetime. The market doesn't reward the luckiest person in the room. It rewards the most prepared one, and preparation, that starts right here, with the decision to learn. If this story made you think, hit subscribe. Every week on Pulse Finance, we break down money in a way that actually makes sense. See you in the next one.